Which of the following parametric equations represents a line? Well, we have four options here, and it's pretty obvious, but let's make sure we understand the other ones. What you do is you select t's, you plug them into these guys, and whatever numbers you get or whatever x and y values, coordinates that you get. I'm going to pretend that a is not there because that's the answer. If you look at B is a circle. As you plug in t values, you're going to create a circle that looks something like this going in that direction. Okay, that's what B is going to look like. For C, you would pick values that, if I were to pick 0, I'd get 0, 0. Easy. If I were to pick 1, I'd get 1, 1. That looks pretty linear so far. But once I start picking 2, X grows, but Y grows a little bit faster. So then all of a sudden things change. I start out with 0, 0, and then 1, 1. But when I pick 2 for T, I get 4 and then 8. So this is going, and by the way, if I pick negative T values, the same thing's going to happen. So you're going to end up with a parabola, okay, where as the X values increase fast, the Y values increase faster. Okay, so that's what you're going to get for C. D, you have square root and square root. And what you're going to get there is going to appear to be linear. But here's the issue. By the way, so if I were to pick like the square root of 1, or if I were to pick, 0, I'd start out with 0, 0. And then if I were to pick 1, I'd get 1, 1. And let's pick friendly numbers like 4, I'd get 2, 2. And you would be like, okay, well, dummy, as you pick more numbers, this is a line. In fact, this is a perfectly straight line. All right, pick -1. See what happens. Oh, you can't plug in -1 because the square root of -1 is impossible. Okay, so it's not a line. A line is defined by something that creates a linear function that goes on forever and ever and ever. D doesn't do that. C doesn't do that. B doesn't do that. Basically, what you're looking at here is if X is T, I can rewrite this guy as Y equals 2X plus 3 because T and X are the same thing. Last time I checked, that's a line because it's slope-intercept form. So my answer is going to be A.